Open Electric to open 10 new showrooms across Karnataka in this financial year. Currently operating 6 showrooms in Karnataka, including 4 in Bangalore. Launch of Roar EZ Sigma has surged demand for electric commuter motorcycles in the state. India's homegrown RAN-driven electric motorcycle manufacturer is deepening its roots in Karnataka with plans to open 10 more showrooms this financial year. In Bangalore itself, Open Electric currently operates 4 showrooms located at HSR Layout, Rajajinagar, Singasandra, and Banshankari. Speaking at a media session on the newly launched Roar EZ Sigma at the HSR Layout Experience Center, Madhumita Agrawal, founder and CEO of Open Electric, said, "Karnataka is not just a market for us, it is our home, where Open Electric's journey began." Starting at introductory price of 1.27 lakh rupees, the Roar EZ Sigma brings key hardware and software upgrades for improved experience and utility. Open Care Service Center staffed with platinum-certified technicians, ensuring prompt service for all in-house developed batteries, motors, and vehicle control units. Beyond Karnataka, Open Electric currently operates 45-plus showrooms across cities including Delhi, Pune, Jaipur, Amritsar, Hyderabad, and Lucknow, and is on track to cross 150 showrooms and service centers nationwide by the end of this financial year.
See, as we move forward, also we will be bringing similar, better experience for consumers while driving, and you will see more of us doing a lot of action with the bike, where there will be a lot of new features and technology introduced in the bike. And right now with this new launch, we are looking forward to expanding our distribution. This year you will see that we will end the year with 100 plus stores pan-India. And right now we are at a current store level of 50 stores, very soon touching 70 and then 100 by end of the year. That is the current plan we have. As you already know, that our manufacturing facility is very well equipped to kind of cater to the volumes that we are planning for this year. We are like having a 1 lakh kind of a capacity currently installed, which is in Jigni, Bangalore. And there are many other models which is going to come, which we will keep you posted. That many more action in the women's side. A lot of R&D we are doing. There are different R&D in the battery side, as already we are the pioneer in LFP battery chemistry. We are the only player who has cracked this engineering problem to integrate LFP in two-wheelers, and that too motorcycle, which is a very, very complex product. So I think that we are already ahead in the game of LFP. Whole world is now talking about LFP. If you see lithium ferrous phosphate, which is known for its safety, reliability, high heat resistance, more cycles, for which consumers getting more life of the battery. This is more safer because it has heat resistance, and more of work is being done to make it much further better. Battery chemistry, then of course the motor, as you must be doing, that is again designed in-house, and we are doing a further, a lot of R&D is being worked around that to make it much superior. And right now currently in the segment we have the highest torque motor, and I think we are working towards bringing much better technology to the consumer. And